Alright, what's up, prof? Alright, here's my Markov stuff. Let me just do it with 2 is my length, or my order, and then 5 is max, 3 is a min. I'll just make 20 of them. Alright, you can see their kind of names. Oh yeah, this is using the boys. I'll just show the girls' names. Girls works too. I don't have a pretty interface, but I figure this still shows it off. Okay, maybe it doesn't. Maybe that's not in the folder. Oops. Oops. Jesus. Oh, that's fine. Die. Alright, there you go. Third order works too, so I have different orders I can use. And fifth order works as well. Basically just makes the name. Oof, not cool. Alright, so you can see first I concatenate the spaces in the front and the end based on the order of it, and then I add those to this big name list, right? And then I go through the name list, and I get a substring of it based on the key size. So for second order, right, or third order, it would be like 3 of the letters, right? And then I basically find the letter of the first letter of that, or the letter before it, to add to like as the key, and then yeah, so the value of it, I use a dictionary in C#, and that's how I index it, right? So then I get all the it's probably easier to just show, but you know what I'm doing. So yeah, for this I have GAIL, and then it has, oh, it only has a space after it, because that's the entire name, like Abigail or whatever. And then I go through all those names, right? And then to make the new name, I basically do the same thing with the spaces, right? To start with the letter, so I have like whatever, if it's like 3, then I'd have like 2 spaces in front, and then it finds whatever that first one is. I loop through to see if my random number generator, or my basically random letter generator, if the dictionary contains that seed at all. So first I concat the spaces to the front of it too, to make sure, and then if it doesn't, I just keep looping until it does find one with that. So then once I get that seed that works, I go through that initial seed that works, I go through using the keys, and the seed is the key, and then I just keep going through and adding it by randomly finding the next letter. Oh yeah, that's if the next letter is a space and it's not past the length or whatever, the min length. And then I just remove the front of that seed and then add the next letter within it. So yeah, that's how it generates them. I think that's all I got, but I got the different orders. I'll make it prettier when I actually submit it. I just wanted to show that I had it done, and that's my project.